Hey there, little learners! Welcome to our Fruity Friends Fiesta, where we'll meet some awesome talking fruits and discover why they're super duper amazing for you. Are you ready to have a blast and learn about the Fruity Gang? Let's dive in.
Kiddos, I'm Mr. Apple, the crunchy king of fruits. You know why? Because I keep the doctor away. I'm loaded with vitamins and fiber, and I'm as cool as a crunch. Munch on me, and you'll be as strong as a superhero.
Hey, little explorers. I'm Miss Banana, the potassium powerhouse. I'm not just a tasty treat. I'm a natural energy booster. Need a quick pick-me-up? Peel, eat, and let the fun begin. Plus, I come with my very own easy-to-carry packaging nature's convenience.
Hey, cool kids, I'm Mr. Grapes, the bite-sized snack that's poppable and delicious. Want to know a secret? I'm packed with antioxidants that help keep you healthy and strong. Pop, pop, hooray for grapes.
Hey, little buddies. I'm Miss Orange, bursting with vitamin C and a zesty attitude. I'm here to boost your immune system and make you smile with my citrusy charm. Peel away the blues and enjoy the sunny side with me.
Our Fruity Friends Fiesta, Mr. Apple, Miss Banana, Mr. Grapes, and Miss Orange, each with their unique powers to make you healthy and happy. Remember, eating fruits is not just good for your taste buds, it's a fruity adventure for your whole body. Join us next time for more fun and learning. Until then, keep snacking on those fantastic fruits. Bye-bye, little learners.